Okay, another video. So I finally figured out what this wire it does, or I think I know what it does. It does all of my heated hand grips and the thumb, I believe. But I did find that wire busted off in there, and I'm assuming that the wire is busted in here somewhere, and someone before me did it. This thing has 900 and something miles on it. Let me see if I can get this up. Oh, no battery. Ha, dummy. But it's got a little over 900 miles. So someone did that prior to me. Again, when you take this, if you have to do this whole thing, you will find the whole assembly. You'll find all these little nicks and knacks that are not supposed to be. Okay. Just making sure I wasn't tight on anything there. But you'll find everything that's wrong if someone has gone through it before you. So, like I said, next thing to do is just to get this thing back together. Fill the radiator, throw some gas in her, and then just take her out. Take her around the block roughly. Let's see, I don't know if I'm going to do that yet. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll do another video, even though this is going to be 2 videos. For some reason, my phone went to stop one. And went to maximum amount of video play. But anyway, so catch me on the next video. Thanks.